Closing your Stripe account is a permanent move, so you want to make sure everything is cleared out before you take the final step. The important thing is that you must be the actual account owner to do this, and you cannot have any critical unresolved issues hanging over the account. Before you even touch the close button, you need to make sure all of your pending payouts have completely processed and your remaining balance is sitting at exactly zero. You also need to resolve any open disputes, pending refunds, or active chargebacks first, or Stripe won't let you proceed. The next thing you need to do is disconnect any third-party platforms or connected apps, like Shopify or WooCommerce, that are currently tied to this specific account. Once your account is completely cleared and quiet, you are ready for the final steps. Log in to your Stripe dashboard at stripe.com using the exact account you intend to shut down. Look over at the menu and click on the Settings gear icon. From there, navigate to the Business section and click on Account Details. Now, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that page and click on the button that says Close Account. Stripe will then take you through a few prompts to confirm your identity. In my case, I had to enter a two-factor authentication code sent to my phone, but you might also get a confirmation email. Now, here's the trade-off. Once you accept the final warning and confirm the closure, it goes both ways. You completely lose access to your entire dashboard history, tax documents, and financial reports, and you cannot reopen this same account in the future. Make sure you download all of your data reports before hitting that final confirmation. Just keep in mind that if you are using an express or highly regulated account type, Stripe might require you to contact their support team directly instead of using this self-serve button. But for most standard accounts, following these steps will get everything wiped clean. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I will see you in the next one.